What's going on, guys? Whoa. Okay, thought there was something wrong with the audio. Wild horns in this song, this track. Hope you guys are having a great, it's a weekend now, right? Now we're streaming on Tuesdays and Saturdays, so, since you know, you get confused, we change things up. Today we're jumping back into PUBG as per probably what you expected, but I think a little bit of that Tuesday coding vibe is gonna translate over. Just for today, at least. We'll see how it goes, but I really enjoyed just coding on stream, so yeah. I don't know, man. There's something about it. Just want to get some shit done or close off some development, right? You can't blame me. You know what I'm saying? Just give me 1 minute. Just give me one hot minute. Closing that down. Moving this over. Translate. Boom. Boom. And we won't get too into it. I won't be showing you ChatGPT or anything, but let's dive back in. Our alert box maker, we've made some adjustments. I'm gonna just turn the audio down just a tad. It's probably, maybe I'll turn it down on my end. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. So we made some adjustments. We stylized the image or the file upload. So that's looking pretty awesome. We've also got that, so we've got that for image and sound. What else do we do in the interim? We've added text animations. So, and then like the sample text for you to preview, which is pretty dope. So if you check this out, boom. That's pretty awesome, right? That's one of the key elements where I was like, no, we can't just have an OBS, multiple sources, let's make visible and then hidden, sort of a solution with StreamerBot actions. I needed these sick animations. So yeah, we got Pulse, we've got Ta-da. You know, those are the best ones, right? But there's still some others. Wobble, wiggle, whatever. So these are actually all the same text animations that come from Streamlabs, the Streamlabs portal for their alerts. So I wanted to create that because I was like, no, you know what? We got to have a sick setup where, you know, our highlighted text has those animations, right? Of course, we added a little bit of the thing down below. We had to, you know, show, you know, who's doing the hard work here, right? And then some links with regards to socials and support. So yeah, I'm digging the vibes of everything right now. We even added so if I go every time, I want to give you guys all my stream ideas. But if we go and we jump to our alerts, so we choose this one, although it's kind of cutting off here, so I wasn't expecting that. But anyways, we've added a remove button here. So if we preview the alert, you can see this is going to be like our kick alert or whatever, right? But if we click X and we preview, it's gone, right? So we can upload a new version, new file. And then I thought I had it. Yeah, okay. So, oh, I gotta adjust this. This should be the same cursor. See, that's what we're doing here, though, right? Okay, so let's go to image. Got our image upload, and so where do we see this? This says cursor pointer. It's just a small thing. I've been working on some small stuff as well as some bigger key pieces, which I don't know if you saw something. There was something subtle and a bug that I got to fix right now. But yeah, I want to jump into fixing it. But anyways, cursor pointer, can we apply this to So if we upload something here, so right, you see what I'm talking about, right? It goes to from the hand, the pointer to the hand. That's kind of what I want for this button. If I inspect the button, what the hell's the button? The button's it's this whole thing. So that's a little weird. Huh, that's I never noticed that before. Oh, maybe that's only a behavior on because that's not something I noticed with Firefox. Firefox is my default. I use it for work and other stuff. Yeah, see, different behavior, different browser, different behavior. So maybe we'll just like let it slide for now. But we're gonna always use Brave on stream, and that way we'll get a little bit of a different perspective in terms of cross-browser behavior and whatnot. But yeah, let's hold on. I'm curious here. Okay, that's coding in Pubg. Schedule for the day. Oh, is my kick not online? Did I not select kick, or did I lose kick in the... It should be live. I mean, not that kick is rocking it, so to speak. It's tough to have get a lot of love on the kick side of things. But anyways, we'll see if Stream Elements fixes that. I really hope Stream Elements works right now with this multi-live streaming thing. It's the best solution right now, but it's still a little like, you know, still a little slow, laggy. Doesn't like you get signed out of all the platforms and whatever, and that's probably a kick thing, honestly. But Still. I mean, it's only been since Tuesday. Tuesday to Saturday. They don't even give a week long session sort of thing. Anyways, what are we doing here? What's next? What's next? Come on, dude. Log me in. Sometimes I can't remember my password, man. So many apps, so many tools. Okay. God. What's up, man? I got Kuwarma. Oh man, this is gonna take me a while. This is gonna take me a minute. Kumara Swami. What's up? What am I coding? I'm coding up an alert box, an offline alert box tool, similar to what Streamlabs has for, their alerts. So it's like a streamer tool, but offline to be used with Stream Elements or Streamer Bot. Sorry. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm enjoying it thus far. I have one issue that I got to work through. So, preview the alert. You notice we've actually added a fade transition. So we have these new alerts for the animation, or animations for the alert. The fade in's working, right? And I haven't tested the other ones, but let's try after 6 seconds here. If I go zoom in, I mean, that's pretty sweet. Obviously you can do these alerts in OBS Studio, but I'm just trying to fix the fade out bug today, or the animation out bug. But yeah, do you stream, or are you just interested in coding? Because yeah, I don't know. I feel like this will be valuable. I was thinking about doing my own alerts and trying to leverage. Ultimately, Streamlabs, the streamer bot was faster on the alert trigger in terms of like sending an alert message to chat, and then I noticed Streamlabs was lagging behind, and I don't use Streamlabs anymore. I use OBS Studio. So I'm like, oh, since I've switched to this, maybe I should just cut out Streamlabs. So that's why I built the thing, right? And then, yeah, obviously I'll release it, but yeah, this is the first time I've built a streaming tool with like a dashboard to preview and then create the actual code that's used. So I'm happy with it. It's pretty awesome. Servers, Android, Kotlin. Okay, yeah, I did a little bit of Kotlin recently, just to get a mobile app kind of up to date because it was getting archaic. But I haven't really touched that side of things. That's pretty dope. I can dig that. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good. Do you have any apps that are live? Or you just do work for certain clients and whatnot? Okay. We have a lot of knowledge on web, to be honest. Yeah, that's fine. Hey, man. Well, if you're ever interested, you can come and pop in here and take a look, and I'll show you what's what. But yeah, basically, recently I was testing. I don't want what's new. I don't need that console. So I'm printing out some attributes here. Basically, I'm just trying to fix, because a lot of it, you figure out one thing. I probably need to do some code cleanup, but you create the variables that grab the element or whatever and grab the value in the back end, and then perform the necessary animation, but it'll cut out for the fade out. So there's something with the logic that's not set up appropriately, and so I got to jump into the back end and see exactly what that is. So you see here we've got our DOM element, and I'm using Tailwind CSS for this as the CSS styling, for the front end styling. Yeah, jumping into the JavaScript. What do we have here? I want to make sure that I'm clearing it out. Okay, so on initiation or page refresh, I clear out to the default values. We've used apps a few years ago. We used to make apps a few years. Doing an internship now, starting on May 12th. I'm assuming May 12th. Nice internship, huh? Yeah. Well, I mean, that's great. All that anything for experience, right? Okay. Sorry. So this is the text animation preview code here, and then naturally in the end, I'm gonna utilize this generate alert code button to take all your settings that you've created here and create a streamer bot HTML file that leverages WebSockets, so that you can get all the data from your action trigger in streamer bot and just populate the alert and run your alert or whatever. So that's the idea. That's the vision. Naturally, there's going to be hurdles along the way, but this, I think I have everything on the front end. Everything that I've defined thus far works. So it's straight up a matter of fixing this, and then jumping onto the streamer bot side of things, which would be really awesome. That's like half the battle, right? Feels like you're 90% done something code wise, but you're only like halfway there. That's kind of like I don't know. It's like I don't know, it's a weird thing with code, right? Oh, you're starting your 12th grade. Nice. Early. I don't think I developed anything. I only did light web dev, and my own brutal styling back then. I don't think CSS libraries were really that, were a thing. when I was in grade 12. So lots of tools, lots of sweet stuff. And ChatGPT is so helpful too. Whatever AI you want to use. So animation class. Hold on. Animation class, that's not value change. So it's animation class coming from text animation. Oh, this is the text animation. Okay. I need to do animation in. Okay, yeah. This is working properly. We get the alert, we remove the hidden class, and then we add the is this not added already? Did I not add this? Maybe it's a duplicate and that's what's causing the issue. Because I think I already put that in here. Animated. Animate underscore animated. Spelled it wrong? Oh, underscore underscore. There's 2 instances. Okay. Never mind. But what are your plans? Are you planning to, what kind of side of software are you going into? All right, no worries. Got to drop. That's fine. Yeah, I can only imagine nighttime, huh? You guys are probably like 9 to 12 hours ahead. I don't know, but that's awesome, man. I appreciate you jumping in, and good luck with your coding and everything. I know we'll be able to knock this one out of the park. I only want to spend like a max an hour on this. We've been 20 minutes. We're a little late to the stream today because we had troubles with audio and all this other things. Animation in. Update preview text. Okay, this is fine, but where was the animation out part? There's got to be an animation out segment. Oh, it's in the hide alert. I'm gonna just type /animation out, just so that I can quickly do a Control F if I'm ever losing my mind. So yeah, I was printing some of the logs here, some of the data. And so like if I run an alert, preview. Okay. So before the alert, so I get the class list prior, right? And animate animated is there, as well as animate fade out. But if I'm okay, sorry, this is the duplicate, so it's still there. And then when I try and do the reset, oh sorry, I didn't let me update this. So preview alert before class list, preview alert before removal of animation in class. This is the class list. After removal of animation in class list, but add animation out class. Let's just keep it easy. Preview alert at the beginning. This is our Sonic track that we came across last stream. Volp called it out. Animation end triggered. This animation end is not getting triggered. That's what's crazy. Preview alert. For reset of preview canvas. All right, let's save it. Kumar. I'm gonna call you Kumar if that's if that's all right. Sorry, I'm mainly into algorithms, designing protocols, etc. Zoma Dev. My GH probably summarizes it. Oh, okay. Algorithms, designing protocols. Interesting. I've never been on the side of like you know, algorithms and efficiencies and all that, but I've never done any protocol definition or anything like that. That'd be interesting. Okay, let's rock this. 4 seconds. Let's preview. Preview alert before removal of animation in class. So the class list before removal. Whoa, hold on. Before removal of animation in class list. Already has the animate fade out. Well, that's wrong. Am I crazy? Preview alert before removal of animation in class, but add animation out class. Or reset of canvas. When is this fade out happening? Preview alert before removal of animation in class list. Well, that's weird. So when I don't expand it, it just says animate __ fade in. But when I expand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a little confusing. It's like this preview is accurate, but the other one's really confusing me. I gotta see if there's anywhere else the fade out is getting added. Because I think it should be added right. Last list. Is animation triggered being triggered? No, it's not. So animation end. Animation end triggered. We're removing both of these classes. And we're resetting the preview canvas. And then I gotta figure out. Okay, let's just take a quick peek at this too. Where's this value used? 3 different places. Defined here. Added there. What alert duration? Where does that come into play? That's the only place, right? So execute this at timeout. Do I have to wait a little bit for this to execute? Like once... Animation end. Is it this part? Do I have to move this part? Let's actually just remove that part for now and let's see if the animation happens. I don't want to actually give away my tails, all my tails animations that I worked so hard on. So it does happen, okay, and it just keeps repeating. Yeah. Okay, so we've got it. We know what's up. Solve the case here. Order of execution. I think this needs to be... Wait. Hold on. What did the code say? Animation end was triggered. Okay. So if we do... But then we need to handle... It's tough. Lockbot undefined. Gotta check. Oh, I think Streamlabs or StreamerBot hit their API limit on YouTube. Okay. Okay, so what we're like, if I rock this code, let's just test it out, right? Like, how's this behaving? We'll do 4 seconds. Nice little fade in. Nice little fade out. And then it goes back to the preview canvas. I mean, that's what we wanted. Let's bounce out and let's zoom in. Nice little zoom in. Do we want to go back to the preview canvas? Or maybe we insert a delay because it looks a little harsh, right? Now let's go back to ChatGPT. How to insert delay in JS. Probably just another quick timeout statement, but I just want to yeah, this is all I wanted. So I'll copy and paste. Thank you, ChatGPT, for the quick syntax. Okay. Just give it a second. Let's just give it 1 second. But sorry, I forgot one other scenario, which is when we get to the point where there is no alert selected. What's the behavior? Sorry guys, I can't talk today. I don't know. Preview. So fade out, goes back to preview canvas. I like that. That's all we needed was 1 second. Let's try it with a different series of alerts, the same kind of ones we had out last time. Preview, boom. Oh, I guess it depends on the alert, because if it takes a little bit, it's kind of an immediate. What about 1.5 seconds? Sure. I mean, not that we need to actually do anything. This is fine. Let's grab our Twitch alert. 4 seconds, boom. Oh, that's not what we wanted. A little slower, but if we do a zoom in and we do a bounce out. Because some of these ones can be a little longer. Like a rotate out, let's say. That one went outside of the preview box, but yeah. Light speed out. What about well, that's weird. That didn't that's weird. I wonder why that registered like that. Animate, animated, animate hinge. And now it's stuck. Let's go again, man. 4 seconds. Light speed in, and then we'll go hinge out. Let's go flip X. Let's go light speed out. Is it just on any subsequent one? Or is it just a particular animation that's failing? Huh. I'll have to do more testing on that. Like, we've kind of solved the original issue, I think. Let's try it with no animation. Or let's do a fade in, but a none for the fade out. So we faded in. Supposed to be a quick 2 seconds, but it didn't fail to execute add on DOM list. Must not be empty. So we can actually add a null check there. That's interesting. Trying to just take a snapshot. 20 more minutes and then it's into PUBG. And we're going to do well. I got a feeling. But okay. So... trying to get an idea of where we're at when this hide alerts. We set the timeout, so we want to do something right at the end. And what we're saying is what we want to do is we want to run the animation out, right? If there is one. So first we have to check if there is one. Do we check that on the animation in? So we get the alert. We say, should probably just get the alert up top, but yeah, or no, we have to get it after the HTML is generated. My bad. So that's a good place to do it. Maybe that's simple enough. We'll leave it here. Let's go if. Let's do what? Hold on. JS to check if. Let's say is null or empty string. Yeah, is null or empty string. So this should work according to ChatGPT. Boom, boom. If not alert animation in value, then is null, undefined, or empty. Else, we're going to add it. And we're going to take this same logic and apply it down below. So what we want to do, we want to say if there was an alert, then we're gonna remove it. Remove the preview class. Oh. And then we'll take the same logic here. We're just gonna say if not animation alert out value, we're gonna leave the animated. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply that to the top because we don't know if we don't know if there's an animation in or not, or if there's an animation out or not. It could be there's no animation in, but there's an animation out. In that instance, we have to have animated tied individually, if that makes any sense. I think it does. So we're removing and then we're adding both. So that should work just fine. If I'm not absolutely insane in the membrane. Ugh. Snoozy woozy. If there is an alert animation out value, then let's do the removal. Right? Right? Okay. Lots of if checks. I think it's gonna work. Let's go back. Let's try it again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna select none. None. It just jumps immediately onto screen and it jumps away. Jumps away. It does not jump away. Oh, it's because... Oh, man. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We've gotta apply this as well. This whole animation end. Because if the animation end is not there on this event listener, we still have to hide it. Or still have to return it to its proper state, but sure. But there is no animation, right? Let's try this. I have a feeling this is going to work for none and none, but it's not going to work for the other instances, if that makes any sense. Yeah, okay, so it worked for none and none, but does it work for... Well, let's just try fade in. Fade in is nice. Cuts out. Does it work for... Does it work for none and then fade out? That just jumps on. Yeah, see, okay, so it still doesn't work for that end transition. It needs time. What's the best way of doing this? Okay, let me just describe my problem to ChatGPT and see if it can run up a solution. Is there a way to... But then if that's... Oh, well, I can run an if statement. Oh, sorry, what am I doing here? If there isn't an out animation, or yeah, if there isn't an animation out value for the alert, then run this. Otherwise, don't run it. In this case, in that instance, this should run, and then you can run it after the fact. I like that. I like that a lot. I believe that that's right. Fade in, fade out. Boom. Preview. Nice little fade in. Nice little fade out. Okay. We can rock that. What about none? Fade in, none. Fade in. Cut it. Nice. What about none and then fade out? Just jumped on the screen. Fades out. Okay. Is that working properly though with this whole timer? This timeout thing? I don't know. I almost want to take a look at the Streamlabs for reference. have it in hold on. We're gonna just hop on over. Take a minute. Okay. It's working still. Streamlabs. Let's take a look at the Streamlabs portal, if you will. Dashboard. Alert box. Yeah, it's always empty. They never show a preview thing. Yeah. Okay. Well, actually, I want to see fade out. Let's do a hinge on this one or something. Okay. Yeah. That's. Yeah, their window is just always black. I kind of like how this says preview canvas and you click it and then it changes and it goes back. That seems good. What I noticed though is their hinge, like for example, if it hinges out, it'll it's hidden in the preview canvas. So I need to take a little peek at that. Is that simply an overflow hidden value here? But okay, I think we fixed this though. I think the logic that we've set up is correct and it works properly. It's just some of these. So let's try these stupid alerts. Let's go again, or like animations. Let's go like what is that light speed one that screws everything up? We faded in. And we tried to get out, but the light speed thing didn't do it. That's weird, man. I want to try on Streamlabs. And I'll even show this. I'll show this to you guys. So you can see if we select, so for example, if you select hinge. Oh man. 7 problems, okay. There we go. Kevin, now following. The hinge goes behind the rest of everything. It's like, okay, that's good, that makes sense. But how's light speed go? Light speed out. Does this thing break? Maybe this is something that's just, but maybe not. That looks cool, especially for a Sonic alert. That's kind of perfect. So I have to play around with some alerts, but why does that not work on mine? That's blowing my mind. If I do the light speed, like the logic is sound. I don't know. I feel like it is anyways. We got 5 minutes to figure out the next potential bit. If we fix that piece, I think that, yeah, we're in a pretty good position. But like seriously, what's going on here? So let's start from the beginning. Okay, we get the preview alert. We remove the hidden class. We say if there isn't an animation in, then we don't do anything. If there is, we add these classes. All right, that makes sense. Let's go down to the hiding of the alert. So we set the timeout based on the time we need to hide it. And what do? We say if there's an alert animation in value, at the end of the timeout, we're executing this. So we're going to remove that. And then if there isn't an alert animation out value, then we don't do anything. If there is, we add the alert animation out. Is it like a timing issue? And And then we listen for animation end. And then if on animation end, we're assuming that there's the alert animation out. So if that value is true, we remove it. We shouldn't need to do this actually. The animation should end. And then we can wait, and then we can reset the canvas. I don't know if this is needed. Oh, alert animation end once. Okay, yeah. So if it plays once, if the alert, if there isn't an alert out value, then we just need to hide it anyways. After a set amount of time, makes sense. So this is makes sense. I don't know if this is needed. Let's copy this out and let's see what happens on the different executions. Comment that out, I mean. 2 seconds is fine. Let's just keep fade in, fade out, preview. Fade in, fade out. Good. Let's go none. Fade out. Just jumps on. Fade out. Still great. Let's go none and none. Preview. Jumps on. Jumps off. Let's go fade in. None. Might have tested that already. Yeah. Let's go fade in and let's go light speed out. Is it just the alert? Am I missing? Maybe I'm just missing the... If I go to bounce out, how's that behave? Fade in. Bounce out. Rotate out. Even though this might interfere with the hidden overflow or whatever, it goes back to normal. So it's like... oh, it's like the animation never ends. That's the behavior here. So if I have an out animation that I add, and it never, because this isn't null, right? This variable isn't null, so this code isn't getting executed, but is an animation end getting executed? Let's try that actually. Let's refresh everything, starting with a fresh console. And let's go and let's change this to light speed out. Does animation end get executed? That function. It doesn't get executed. But it should. Animate light speed out. I feel like... Let's go animate.css. This is the library we're leveraging, right? So if we are looking for light speed out. Oh, is there a light speed out? Or do... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Guys. It's one thing you gotta watch out for with like ChatGPT and class generation, and like, because a lot of the times you're trying to just like say, hey, get me all the classes from animate.css, and for animation in, and then do vice versa, animation out, and then it'll populate that, and then you create your drop down. But if your drop down is off in terms of what actually exists for these values, then that's gonna it all up. And so that's what we're dealing with here. So don't always trust AI. That's the moral of the story. And that's going on the highlight reel. That's going in the shorts feed. Hopefully it's valuable. Okay. So we've solved that questionable issue. If I control F, light speed. Light speed. We only have right, left, and in and out. Okay, so four combinations. Why is that a thing? Light speed out. How's it on Streamlabs? Because that's mostly what we wanted to... Streamlabs just has light speed out, so it assumes right. Yeah, I get it. Okay. Okay, because you wouldn't have an animation out where you go left. Well, you might. You might. So I'm gonna... Damn, Streamlabs. You guys. Very peculiar and particular. Very peculiar in your particularity. So this code is correct. This code works just fine. Removing this piece. We can keep all the console logs will be fixed at the end when we're officially done. Let's save this. We knew exactly what we were doing today. And let's go just over an hour into the stream. We'll switch over to PUBG shortly, but we are going to fix this drop down, these drop down values that are screwing us over. Because what I want is Lightspeed out. This is not a class. This is not. we've just discovered this is not a legit class. What am I doing here? Right? Lightspeed out right or lightspeed out left. So we're gonna see. This is where we can add more than Streamlabs offers in their alert tool. Lightspeed out right. Speed out left, and as I develop these tools, you guys can always ask for, you know, provide feedback and ask for certain things, and that's the beauty of it all, right? And now we got to go to the animation in, because who knows, maybe somebody has their alert on the other side of the page, or they want to do something funky with it. You want to give them all of those options, right? So like I get like what Streamlabs was doing, whoever made that decision, but yeah. Left, right, speed in, left, speed in, right. Now, since I'm a very particular person as well, do I want light speed out, right, light speed out, left, light speed out, right. I'll do left, right. We'll save that, and now we'll run our test, our little testy test. I don't want to have to test this out for all these classes. We'll see. Right? Like, we know the problem. The problem's logged on stream, so hopefully we'll be able to find it. Mark it. 1 hour mark. Let's go. Fade in, fade out. Let's just run that test. Okay. Beautiful. And then we run light speed out left. Let's just try left. Beautiful. Let's speed out right. Nice. I'm digging it. Okay, so I think that's fixed. The only quick hitter I want to just stick around for this is if we just add overflow hidden or something to this. Let's just Google tailwind or let's just ask ChatGPT. My alert animation out expands beyond the edge of the preview canvas. How can I fix this? Can I use overflow hidden class for a particular div? We'll see what it says. Yes, you can absolutely use the overflow hidden class in Tailwind CSS to prevent child elements like your alert from expanding beyond the bounds of a parent container, like your preview canvas. Perfect. Perfect. That's all we wanted to know. Although our preview canvas, I don't know if that's a relative component. I kind of stay out of that realm. But just to make things easier, if we inspect here, let's just go. I don't know if it's applied yet, so let's just apply the class in here, and then let's run the same code execution. So the class is there. Beautiful. Just what we thought. You guys catch that? I almost missed it. We're good. Okie dokie. All these years of experience turning into value. Okay. Yeah. Preview canvas. Let's go the other direction. Let's go up. Ladies and gentlemen, version 25 of the Alert Box Maker overlay tool is complete. We have successfully worked out the alert animations as well as the text animations. Now it's a matter of actually applying these. My bad. So, although everything works from a front-end perspective, I still have yet to apply the text animations. So that's next. I'm going to log that on the side here. Let's go. So what do we do here? Just writing my notes down. Text animations done. Alert animations. This is done. I have to do multiple support for different layouts. That's yet to be completed, but then I also have to do the text animation application. Need to apply to highlighted text on alert on message template. Actually, can I change the color of the font? Ooh, can I text styles? No. Where's the color? Oh, that'd be awesome if I could. Maybe I'll just bold it for now. Is there more formatting options in Trello? I use Trello. Trello's pretty awesome. If you guys haven't checked out Trello, you should definitely give it a go. Text animations need to apply highlighted text on message template. Do highlighted text on message template. Okay, that's good. This, I'm gonna strike through that. That's done. The alert animations are complete. After which, yeah, so it's just applying this text animation onto the preview, and then it's adding the different layouts and applying everything to each layout. And then potentially a preview sort of restart to like make sure that if you click this button way too much, it'll reset or fix things. But I mean, maybe just leaving it once is enough. It's pretty powerful tool thus far. And last but not least is the alert generation piece. So that'll be cool. I'm glad I was able to stuff this in here, and it looks pretty clean. I thought about updating and playing around with the layout of all the whatchamacallit, the different color scheme, but this is pretty good. This is kind of like OBS colors, actually, or what I feel like OBS used to be for color schemes. But hey, it doesn't have to be like immensely pretty. But yeah, I'm kind of rambling. That's it. That's steady. I'm gonna jump over to. I gotta hide things first because we're done with this. Creating our subsequent version of the file so that we can save this. Yes, I should be using GitHub or some repository management tool, but I'm not, because it's just when I develop stream assets, stream tools, I just I do not do that. Don't ask me why. It's my choice. My code, my choice. But yeah, everything's looking bitchin'. I love releasing like tools and coding shit up, and eventually, like I've said a million times, but if you're new here, we're gonna be coding up a game, triple, quadruple A, quintuple. Is quintuple the next one? Quintuple A game. Starting a brand new studio. It's gonna be pretty dope. Yeah. Shut down ChatGPT. I don't know. We're rolling. We're feeling good. We're booting up Pubg, and that's that. Finally get started on Pub. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. That feels good. And all this whole alert maker tool came into play because I was like, oh, I want to be able to. I was working on making my own alerts. I made a Tails themed alert for bits, and I have my Sonic follow alert that I did a little bit of an update to. I actually even started spriting out the animation. So I sprited out Tails. I did a different Sonic follow alert animation, but I realized even though I have him rolling onto the, jumping onto the screen, rolling, skidding and stopping, doing a heart jump follow, and then running off the screen, it just becomes too much. I feel like it's simpler to just have the character in one stationary position. Although I have this idea for a Knuckles animation, and I desperately want to be able to have Knuckles fly on screen, but it just, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I might do it where I have Knuckles come in on the screen, fall down, and then do some sort of an animation, and then I don't know. Depends on how fast it is. We'll see. It's got to be super fast, I guess, right? Like, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. I'm thinking about it in my mind, how it would go down. Sometimes you just gotta like actually do it, and then you know, it's like that software saying, "Ikawisi," you'll know it when you see it. I know it when I see it. Back, lobby cap, no. Let's cap it at 60, yes. Custom is 60, apply. No matter how many times I save all these settings, man. Now if I go load, see what happens. I mean, nothing negative changed. Hopefully that is consistent. I'll let the lobby music slip. I like the launch theme, but let it slide. And let's dive right in. PUBG, TPP. Let's play. Oh, did I hold on, did I adjust the full screen? Borderless? Let's go borderless. I think that's the one we want. That way we can play around on the side. All right. I'm gonna have to turn up the audio because we got to get the footsteps locked in. We need to hear. Yeah. Didn't shave today for today's stream. I was kind of running behind. It's been a while since I've grown my hair out. I wish it came in better on the sides here a little. But I can do a decent mustache. My buddy's got a Zabula's rocking a mustache right now. I dig it. All right. After this stream alert is done, or this alert box tool is done, I could go back to my chat widget, and there's a lot of improvements I can make for sure. I could, you know, it's 90% there. That extra 10% will take it to 150%, if that makes any sense. But yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough because I gotta see people actually having the desire for it, you know, or the time. I gotta have the time to do it. And prioritizing other things is it's probably a better use of time, I'm thinking. But it does come across my mind. I love that kind of shit. But I'll probably dig back into Reveriant and just start up some game dev. Maybe that'll drum up some attention. People dig that. But in the meantime, we're just gonna chill out, play some pub, get our chicken dinner, because damn, we were so close all of last session. Kind of teetered towards the end naturally because we're getting a little bit fatigued, but we started strong. First 4 or 5 matches, we were top 10. Oh, and I still have like my PUBG tier maker lists to work on. I created a couple too. I went hardcore. I created like all the weapons and... Did I finish that? I think I finished that. I'm gonna hop on the tier maker. Yeah, I did the weapons and then maps. I put in a lot of work on that too. But I do have to get I'll get a little bit more familiar with the weapons. Yeah. Yeah. Rocking, man. Let's keep going. Oh, this map's back into play. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this map, to be honest. Oh no, this is... Oh. Just this outskirts reminded me of that volcano map. Yeah, this is fine. This is Tego or whatever. Yeah. I mean, the likelihood that it's over here seems like it's higher, but it might actually be here. I just got a gut feeling. Normally I try and aim for a vehicle, but wasn't one here. That's a pretty good mark on a vehicle though. We're gonna kind of skim through this one house and get to that vehicle. That's the goal. Ooh, okay, we got a buddy with us. Is he grabbing the vehicle actually? That's the question. Just in case. UMP? Okay. Well, shit. What should we do? Ah, we'll rock the QBZ. Oh! Did this guy grab the car? He might have. SLR? Let's take the SLR. Take it for a rip. Back level 3, okay, we'll take it. No scopes, huh? Oh, just a little pea shooter scope. We're on the edge of the map. I mean, what's the edge? Oh my gosh. This is a really obscure map zone. I'm gonna go up here. Try and get a scope or something. Surprised at how much is going on over there. All-in-one repair kit. Ooh, I like that. That's awesome. I just saw that recently. I didn't know that those existed. You can repair your armor? That's so sick. Like PUBG is just keep getting a little bit better. Like smart smart additions to the game for sure. I don't need a canted sight. I don't need it. I'll take one frag grenade. Pick up a bunny basket. What's in it? What's in it? Not enough space. Well, what was in it? You know what I'm saying? Stairs really slow you down. All right, beautiful. That's what we needed. No point in rocking here so much as there would be with respect to. Let's drop 100. Is there more 5.56? Yeah, this is better for me, I think. After we get this. And then we'll rock more 7.62. No, we'll take that instead for sure. This area is pretty big. It's so pretty. Look how beautiful this is. It's just beautiful. Beauty. Oh, one thing we didn't try today, which we need to do, is we need to go into the range at some point. You know what I mean? Shooting range? $57 alive. I'm not necessarily avoiding conflict, but homies don't not popping out. It's interesting. If you dropped right dead center, you'd be. I'm gonna go just off of the edge of this. Maybe somebody will come. Maybe they won't. Could you guys imagine, like, I'm digging the Last of Us right now with regards to the show, right? We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's good still, with Pedro Pascal's departure, but hopefully that's not a spoiler for anyone. But, like, a Last of Us experience, like a battle royale, that'd be insane. I do not want to look at the ground. I mean, we have a lot of time, but I'm pretty jacked up right now. There were a few guys. I mean, I guess I just keep running. Oh, we know that's it's gone to an yeah, okay. You know, so like visually, my eyes are so exhausted. Hit the gym this morning, like 9 a.m. That was good. Come stream a few hours later, but sometimes my eyes just like they're my worst enemy. Oh, boy. I actually got a long way to go. I feel like that guy got hit pretty good. I'll take it. Van's not even done, and I'm not even hurt at all. Take the pan. Yeah, okay. Rockin'. Let's get out of here. I mean... Okay, I guess the van's done. I guess it's toast. Oh, it's the EM... Oh, the stupid zone, bro. Can I get around that zone? Is it worth it? Is it possible to, like... No, it's just out. So we make it here. Still got plenty of time and get a boost. We got a lot of energy drinks to use, so I'm pretty sure we're still fine. Now, of course, the EMP goes away. I wonder how much I hurt that guy, actually, when he was driving that car, because it was like the perfect spot for me to just totally sort of shoot him down. There we go. It's a nice little ride. Where are we going? $35 left. A lot of people in their vehicles, huh? I mean, I want to get central, but I think there's not too much here. Okay, dokie. Where are we going? Uh-huh. know what? I don't want to get pegged in the back or from the side over there. There's a lot of shit over there. Oh, shit. I like that too. Is that shrinking? That's my question. Oh! Oh, fuck. I checked my map for 1 second. Let's take a look. How was that death cam? Fuck. Are you kidding? I shouldn't have stopped. I stopped, you know what I mean? This guy just come park up behind me or to the right? Oh yeah, he was in a nice little prime position. Yeah, I mean, fuck, that pisses me off. Let's leave. Leave replay. Okay. Oh. Too bad. Too bad. Alright. Well, we'll boot up another one. 25th. Damn, we were so... That's the thing, you get all looted up and then that happens. It's kind of like there's no shootout. There's no... Alright, well... We'll be back. We'll be back. Gotta go to short bathroom break. Okay. Back. We're back. Oh. Wrong button. It said F, so I was like, okay, I'll eject. Wonder how many people came with me. Quite a few actually. Just dropped as soon as possible. It's not the strongest dropping position, I will admit that. I'm driving the wrong way. Awesome. Alright, well. We know where we're heading now. We know where to go. Ah. Getting the volume right. Oh, that's cool. Never been on the ice like this. Somebody actually trigger that, or is it just kind of like... Oh, the trunk open. That's sick. Passed by Dinoland, huh? Okay. I wonder if they've changed how it all looks, because I feel like it looks different than it used to. Whoa! Holy shit. Yeah, meant to do that. This doesn't look like Vikendi at all. Oh, we made it. Sure, bandage, all the defensive stuff. I want the jammer pack, man. Two-ton. Mutant, okay, I'll take it. Wow. Small burst or a single fire? Okay, I'll just take the single fire. Hoping I get a relatively free loot area. Alright, we'll try the buy then. Did we try this sucker once? But it's just if there's the MP5, how's this one do? Oh no. I prefer this over this. Oh, I'll take the M4. Sorry. Mini 14. Should I do the Mini 14? Ammo should be good. It's everything else. I need a little bit of something, something. Maybe I'll just rock what I got. Haven't eaten all day. My tummy's starting to rumble. I think I'm gonna go out for dinner later, so that makes up for it. I have enough ammo, I think. Curious if anybody's ever really played a game of... I'll get one more. PUBG, and they've run out of ammo. Not enough space. Well, I'll keep it. Sorry. This one max out. And it's just telling me to pick up some stuff. PUBG has changed a little bit with these like one-shot kill. I don't know. I don't remember the Car 98 or like other guns, or I don't know. Maybe people just use them less, but I don't remember them like one-shotting on the body. You know, now they're one shots on the body, like a decent amount of the time. Not always, but. Damn, man, I don't know. I don't have a scope though either. Maybe I'll just leave the sniping to another game. Extended mag. Oh, this is extended quick draw mag. It's better. What the hell? Still in it. MK12. Oh, that's actually better because it's maybe I'll switch to the MK12 because I can, right? pretty much the same swap, but you know, it's kind of meant for sniping. P5. I need a scope. I need a good scope. Could use more health, but it is what it is. Oh, map. Where are we going here? Where are we going? No, I'm at the back. Unless somebody's over there. Oh, yeah. Ooh. There we go, okay. There we go, okay. Thought the headshot would do it. That was a headshot, right? Still got it, though. Sometimes it's, like, about not revealing your position first, you know what I mean? Like, you take shots off like that, and he just let me know where he was. The only reason I, you know, not retaliated, but answered to that was because he was right there. Like, you almost can't get a better setup than that. But it's crazy though, because like he didn't, you know, he's just a couple buildings over from me. He didn't hear me. It's kind of how I got taken out last game, right? Somebody just sets up just a little bit better than you did, right? Or you take shots earlier than Kostya. That's crazy, man. It's just like one building over. That's all it takes. Can I see anybody on these other rooftops over here? I mean, he was shooting at somebody. I don't know who. There's that black smoke that's there. Ooh. 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 All the way up there? Can I take a nice little shot with test out these markers? The MK12. I thought this would be more powerful. I got that guy right in the head and had to pop off a couple other shots too. Oh. Where are we moving to? Oh man, all the way? That's far. I feel like it's not worth it to try and rock the zone here. It's just better to get my ride, which I had. I had a ride. I don't know where it is. Well, there it is. It's still on the edge. Whoa! Who did that and how? I don't know what just happened there, but, okay. Fuck! Oh, dude! That's not fair, man. That, like, he held that nade for a long time. That guy, who was that? I want to see that guy. Let's take a look. Chasing me for a while. Nobody... What is he using? He really destroyed my vehicle in 2 seconds. Or no, maybe it was a different guy. Oh, there's a marker now. Bro. I should have stayed behind it. I thought that he threw further than that. Further than that. Oh, what's up, man? On for only a few minutes because my homies and I are going to set up a DIY show later tonight. Nice. You guys are setting up, prepping a concert or what? Are you? I'm doing all right. I did a bit of a... I did a little bit of coding start of the stream, so I made some progress. That was great. Going out for dinner later, you know, just a nice little Saturday. We'll hit the gym before the stream. Checking off all the boxes. That's it. Except for the PUBG successful gameplay. We're struggling on that front today. We're at 25 and 19. That was a dirty little sequence there. Dirty little sequence. There you go. There you go. Yeah, this is like my least favorite map. Second least favorite, I think. Right? Yeah, it is. It is. Volp Rock Show for a Cinco de Mayo weekend with local bands. Nice. That's sick, man. Yeah, I wanted to do something for Cinco de Mayo, but Cinco de Mayo falls on, is it Monday? Well, I guess you can celebrate on the weekend. Oh. Okay. Let's go straight for the heat terminal. Legal, illegal, gay, straight, religious, atheist, etc. We're trying to get everyone to come and have a dumb fucking time with us. Sounds like a, sounds like a party. Sounds like a nice little party, a little soiree, as it were. Some rock bands, nice. Yeah, that'd be pretty dope, dude. It's nice to be a part of the community and do something like that, right? I wish like there was a honking button for the cars. I wish there was like a screaming button for the parachute drop, so you can just like let people know. Ah! War cries. Oh my god. Sounds way too close. Nobody land on the roof? Oh, this is the stupid gun. Are you kidding me? I'll use this. No, actually, forget about it. SKS? Sniping? I felt like somebody was shooting at me there. I don't like that. Jesus. I don't have a vest on, man. There's some heat going on. Dude, I need a better gun. I need AR. I am, like, tripping right now. Somebody in here? Tripping. Full up any community that is thick Mexican baddies for me. Nice. I hate this gun, man. Alright, well, I'll take it. Guy's running around like a guy from a mental ward. Oh, that's what I need. My people are here. Have a good one, man. Yeah, you too, man. Thanks for dropping in and saying hi. I hope you have a great, great concert, great show. Hope you have a good one. Stay strong. Party hard. Sorry, I wasn't focusing on the chat as much as I could have. I'm pretty, like, freaking out right now. Come on, dude. Okay, now we gotta kind of, like, check out where we're going. Trying to go center. That's the way. That's the way over there. Can we rock this with our... Can we parachute down, or what can we do here? I would love to parachute down off this thing. I guess not, but that'll do. Like, I mean, we could have, but we didn't. We just didn't know the right attachment. Okay, so we got some attachments. Am I crazy? Was that a... Thought that was a bro, but couldn't tell for sure. I mean, we're still good, but we... Okay. We heard him. Footsteps are jiving every so often. Fuck, dude. Oh, he had a submachine gun. I knew it was there. I wasn't sure if there was another guy beyond the fence or whatever, but I gotta see the death cam. I gotta take a look. I did fire some shots off, but fuck. He was just... Yeah, he heard... Yeah, you can hear. Doesn't matter. And then I ran out anyways. I shouldn't have. I don't know what he's playing with. He's got a fucking submachine gun, which is gonna annihilate that close up. Yeah, I did nothing. It's one of these days on PUBG, huh? Too bad. Whoops. Oh, we changed our streaming category, right? Oh, man. All right, well, we're... Oh, is this Erangel? Oh, it is. I haven't played Erangel in a while. We'll rock it. It's insane, though, how good the submachine guns have gotten. Mm-hmm. Where do I want to go? I feel like... People will just drop the... Oh, that's school. We're not even close. Never mind. No, I can't do school. We can try for this area, though. Woo, look at all these shoots dropping. Popping and dropping. Boom, boom, boom. We'll rock this SMG. We'll see how well it does, how well it performs. But I feel like as far as SMG goes, this is not the one to take. No, actually, I don't want to cant it. I don't like it. I'll take the UMP instead. So close to medium range. That's my that's the game I gotta play, and I'm starting to pick up that part too. Gotta pick up that part where, you know, what you have really matters. 8 times scope, huh? Can I switch on the 8 times? If I'm on the 8 times, can I zoom out? I mean, I'll just rock it, I guess. Well, this will be interesting. Shit. Blocked! Could have had a nice little picky poo. Guys in that building? Come over here, get a nice little 8 times. You can take a few shots off. I don't think anybody dropped with me. Is that a vehicle? I can... No, I can't drive that. Where's the map going? That's another question. Gotta head out this way. Hey, that's my kill. Who got him? He was over here, wasn't he? Right there, huh? That guy was really weakened. My 8 times is pretty... Yeah, that's pretty far away, man. Pretty far. I don't gotta make any sudden movements. I can go over here. Now, the whole zone, though, it's a pretty rough zone. Somebody's in my area. We're just gonna chill. Yeah. That's it. I mean, I think we're... Well, we could probably use some stuff from that guy, but... Well, let's go and pick his body, pick his brains. I do like this 8 times though. It is. I feel like it makes a difference for sure. Oh, is that a poor guy? Didn't make it. 49, huh? PUBG does need assists though. We got 1 kill and 1 assist. How's the map shrinking, and also how do we do? There we go. Yeah. This window's nice. What you got? What you got for me? Okay. I'll take it. So far, like, all the guys that are moving out of that school zone, either school or this building complex, kind of had my way. A nice little setup here. Perched up well. Dominating the school region. Not even restricting the play area yet? Oh shit, I should have picked up that 4 times actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab it. I think this guy had a 4 times. That's much better. 4 times and 8 times. Good for swapping. The map is shrinking, so that's a spot to push out from. Okay. Is he dead? I think he is. Yeah. Shit. Come on. Too bad. Well, we got this. Where's this pussy? Ooh, we're still in it, actually. Yeah, they don't have to move anywhere. There's a nice little ridge. Let's get as central as possible. Probably saw me. Let's follow the wounded animal and finish him off. Oh, yeah, that's it. Go. Woo. Okay. I mean, I'm still in the zone here. Like, I can still get away with this. A lot of these guys are just rocking these vehicles. We're still good. We're still in a good position. There's a lot of loot around here. Waiting for the zone to shrink. Everybody's in a freaking vehicle. He's below me. Okay, we got a minute. Right in front, 7 left. Got one right there, right? Sneaking. There we go. Didn't see that coming. 5 left. Top 5 situation. I think this is too far. I'm gonna swap the scopo. Shrinking play area in 10 seconds. Why do I keep getting stuck on shit in PUBG? Oh, God. So close. It was perfect. What is happening with this game? You see that? I stuttered. I got stuck. I got stuck. I didn't... Oh. Dude. So close. So close. That was our match, dude. I keep getting stuck on shit. I don't get it. That was a nice little spot, too. We were pretty good positioning. We'll have to fucking see what the next game has in store, but... Damn, I'm triggered. God, that bothers me so much, man. That end game right there is just like, I should have kept on peeking. I was worried about the zone. I should have just ran for a spot. But even then, I think anything in front of me, I was just... Two guys were positioned up. I was just too late to the party. In a situation like that, I should just get in the vehicle and pop on over to a guy's position and take him. Try and take him out. Rondo. Yeah, this one's good. Man, Erangel. That's the one where we get top 5. It's just... Imagine if a gun spawned and you could just kill everybody pre-match. That'd be something else. Damn it! So much intensity. And how many kills did I get that game? 2 guys outside the place. I helped with the one guy, and then I got another guy. So 3.5. What do we want to do here? Where are we going? Test track. There's got to be a vehicle here to grab and then just go to the right spot in the zone. Okay. There's my ride. There's my ride. Never seen a smoother transition. From parachute to vehicle in PUBG? Never. Alright. We're going to the hut right over here. Nobody could possibly be there. And that's just the spot we'll stay at. Some commotion. For sure. I think that's the first time I've ever used the handbrake in this game. It's pretty loud, huh? This is our go-to YouTube PUBG strategy guide that we're following right now. We land immediately, grab a vehicle, head to the farthest loot location on the opposite side of the flight path, and see how it goes. I'm tempted to go into Mehran and grab some stuff. We'll see if it makes sense. I don't know, should I deviate or is that too much trouble? Okay, 4 times. Backpack. Crappy helmet. Somebody here? Just stopped. We'll grab some 9mm because that's what we want to be rocking. 9mm plus, what are we rocking right now? The Ace 32? Okay. I mean, so long as it's... Yeah, single and burst, that's all we want. Quick draw, mag, handgun, SMG. We will take it. Okay, well, maybe we'll rock the SKS in the meantime. Oh, just in case. Drop this. Not the worst setup right now, but not the best. What we're going to do is we're going to continue to drive to our zone. little hut, whatever it is. Oh, this town is nice, actually. And then make our way to that little hut. Put a few small little areas to go here. It's a gas station, huh? R98, eh? Do we want to? Oh no, we got the SKS. Fine. No. Ah, come on, we'll grab a pan. Okay, I guess we'll give up the dream on the submachine gun and okay. Extended sniper mag DMR. Yeah, let's put it on. Quick draw mag? That's just a quick draw I want. Oh, I guess it's the same. But this gives us a little bit more. Can we grab one of these? Mounted shield. Folded shield. Shit. So maybe at the end of the game it's useful. I can't believe that last game, that one game. That's the win I wanted today. That's the chicken dinner I wanted. Get plenty of kills, you know, we're doing a good job. Cleaning house, so to speak. $13 bullets, huh? Or 83, 17 bullets. This increases player boost 100 and performance and run faster and fully heal over time. Okay. We're off in the quiet part of the map. Yep. Okie dokie. Oh, yeah. Gotta wait it out, huh? Hang out, pass the time. Just chill. Just chill in the interim. Now it's time to get focused. That was fun. I think I got him. A little bit, tagged him. Oh, where are we going now? Oh, we're going right over there. Okay. So we gotta hop that way, huh? I don't like how this map gets in the way on the side here. Okay. Restricting player area in 20 seconds. Well, I guess we should go center. That's kind of what we've ascribed to. We don't have a submachine gun to get nasty up close, but whatever happens, happens. We gotta get centered. 30 players left, we get centered. Actually, maybe we go here. Maybe this is centered enough. Ouch, that hurt a lot, actually. Is that on my helmet? Yeah, it was on my helmet. Beautiful. Right there. Okay. So we should have played closer. $25 left alive. Oh, that's, I want out. I was gonna be chased by another guy! Let's watch, let's spectate. I mean, it was a lot of fun. There was a lot of stuff going on. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is how some people are playing. I see. It's a different game, huh? When you take a little spot up, nobody sees you, and you're just kind of in the bush. Whoa! Oh my god! Wow! What are the chances, huh? If that guy just kept going hard and fast into the wall? Crazy. Alright, well, I mean, it was fun while it lasted. You know what I gotta do? I gotta do an intermission and an assessment of where the fuck things are at. You know what I mean? I gotta watch the previous matches. I'm gonna go and do the 2D match history analysis for every match today. 2D replay. Let's go. ×5. We're dropping in, right? This is how the distribution goes. Most people are center. They kind of head towards the thing. Where are we at now? 2 minutes into the match. People are still collecting, gathering. Taking shots off. Mainly centered around the one zone, right? Then it starts to shrink. People start to move in. Okay, now mostly everybody's... You see how this spot's pretty clean though, right? It's pretty clean. It's nobody's there. And then somebody's gonna kind of come across there. Wow, look at that clusterfuck. And that's where I am. Look at where I am. I'm in the perfect spot. I know what I'm doing, man. I can't remember how I died on this one. Oh yeah, that guy from behind me. So okay. Playing the center ain't so hot. You gotta be on the farthest side and playing that wall. As per this match results. Let's take a look at another one. Total analysis today. Try a couple of these matches. We'll see how the distribution goes. We're going on the line. Everybody's distributed. I don't know where we are. I wish we could highlight ourselves as a better color, unique color. Okay, I see us. We're going straight into the off area. We didn't see those though. We loot. We loot. I remember I got killed like right here. I was in a good spot, and I don't know who came along and causing trouble. See, I'm all alone, right? I'm in a good spot, and then people just started coming. I got one guy, right? This guy, I think I got him when he was on that rooftop. Smoked him. After he got that guy, I got him. And then, yeah, some dude came and just me up, man. He had, I almost got that guy shooting at him. Is this the dude that got me? He just blew me up, man. I don't know how he destroyed my vehicle. But that's the best bet. That's the best bet thus far. Observed. We're going to play that. As soon as we get into that, those last, to the last 3 zones, that's it. First zone doesn't really matter where you are. Just as long as you're away from the center spot. And then the next zone, yeah, you just try and be on the opposite side of the center line as much as possible. The flight path. Cooking here. Cooking. I am cooking. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to hang in here. It's so hot. Sweat and heat. I need an air conditioner, man. A new one, smaller one for my office and the big one for the rest of the house. Portable air conditioner. Let's look at the pricing. Alright, well, back into it. Where are we now? Ooh, Erangel again. So, I mean, we're leaning more towards this side of the map. I'd love to do a map analysis to see if it goes over here or over here more so. That's something I'll think about in the future. Let's try the military base. Let's just have some fun. Different area, different spot. Frigidaire. Oh, I guess maybe it's worth it to just go to Costco and buy one. You know, because it's like, who cares? Is there anybody here? Oh, a couple guys. Everybody's dropping pretty. Okay. Forgot the spot, the zone. Passed me a crowbar. Police vest. K-12, we'll take it. Got anything good? He's running away. Okay, 12. Level 2 helmet. Some heals. Not in the worst position. I have no idea where anybody is, though. So that's not the best. Ooh, level 3 vest. Alright, well, I think I have enough to just say, hey, let's get out of here. I need a vehicle. Is that our ride? I'm gonna have to drive through a bunch of people, right? And then we're going to get to our end game spot. I feel like we played on foot from there. But a lot of people, there's a lot of dynamics in PUBG these days. Like people are playing very fast and loose. They've got their vehicles. They're driving everywhere. There's a lot more elements of the game than there used to be. Before, everybody was just kind of on foot. There'd be like 2 or 3 vehicle guys out of like 100. Now sometimes there's like 10 of them. And we're just gonna take this nice little road here all the way down. Past Primorsk, past everything. I wonder if maybe we make some stops along the way. See how things turn out. Because we don't know where it's going to shrink to, but at least we're on the right path, so to speak. And item-wise, first aid, we don't have any painkillers. I mean, we have a long-range, medium-long range gun and a short medium range gun, so can't complain too much. Although, sorry, we need ammo though. Just cruising and having a good time. I want to play PUBG duos again. It's been so long. By the time we get there and do like a little bit of looting, we're already gonna know where to go next. Felt like I heard something. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. I hate how the vehicles like roll though. Like it, I mean, I stopped. You know what I'm saying? Like it rolls all the way out there. Like that's typically not how vehicles work. They don't just like... Somebody drives a vehicle and they park it. It's kind of parked. It doesn't just roll into oblivion. Fuck, those dolls and shit, they always scare me. Got the painkillers we wanted, but did we get the ammo? No, 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 no. 4 times scope, we'll take the 4 times instead. 3 times, we'll pop the 3 times on there. Don't really need the red dot. Oh, there we go, there's some ammo. That's what we need. Okay, heals, okay. Ammo, doable. Smoke grenade for quick escape. I don't want to risk the whole dropping off the building thing, so. Ooh. Frag grenade, always room for frag grenades. Actually, how do I drop like some, not all of it? You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's good. That's good. How much ammo does one man need, anyways? If there's anything dead people have on them, it's ammo, right? So. I would say I can even. There we go. There we go. That's a better. Actually, you know what? More 9mm. It's KS. 8 times scope. Do we? What's the map look like? That's the question. I mean, it is a lot of hills and stuff. Maybe we do. And, first of all, let's take the pan. And we put... Yeah, there we go. Okie dokie. I think this is ours. No, not that seat. I don't trust people. Those houses loaded? Those don't look loaded. I guess they're far enough away, huh? How far is that? Oh, that's pretty far. Proceed to the area marked on the map. Oh, that was our original spot. All the way up the beach there. Fortunately, this is all like in the open, so I don't want to stick around here. 28 left alive. Ooh. There's a little vehicle up there. Okay, I get the picture. My vest. That's why I don't. I'm not really big fan of the whole level 3 vest thing. Like, the vest gets hit, it's over. It's stupid. You know what I mean? It's like, you gotta not get hit with the vest, and it's like, really? Where's that little boy on the edge? Oh, we're outside now. It's not shrinking just yet, huh? Can I get rid of this? There's a laser sight on this thing. I don't need it on here. Kind of throwing me off a little bit. $21 left. That hurt. That hurt a lot. There's a guy in that building. Oh, yeah, yeah. There's a guy there, and there's a guy there. Okay. I've got an out on this side. And my vehicle. Six left alive. Come on, Erangel. I just don't like this position, so it's got to shrink from that way to that way. That's the way to go. There we go. 3 left. Me and 2 other guys. Shoot at each other, man. Shoot at each other. Gotta come to me, right? Nope. No, I saw him, but then I was moving, dude. I was moving. He was in the blue. I gotta see this guy. I gotta see the... where's the spectate? I want to spectate. Oh, whoa, whoa! He was the last guy? Is it... Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to that. Holy shit. Fucking second place? And this is what it comes down to right here. He's got to be so almost dead. Oh my god. That's not even impressive. That's sad. That was mine, dude. That was so mine. How many kills did I get? How many kills was that match? Brutal. Just brutal. Oh my gosh, man. It's too bad. Second place. How many kills was that? How many kills were we on? 4. All right. I think I got one more in me, and that's it. That's the day. It's too bad. I was right there. I was right there. I got too into looting. Like, what was I doing? All I needed to do was focus on the, like, there's only 2 guys left. I had everything I needed. That's the problem with this game. This game teaches you to kind of, like, get into hoarding. You want to get more and more, like, collect. Whereas, like, you don't need it. You really don't. You need a solid position, and that's it. Long distance, close range, and then open all. Oh, okay, it's little fancy packs, I see. Damn. Too bad. Oh. That is just too damn bad. I was hoping we had it today, but gonna struggle. Spot, what's up, man? Giving me the stare? I can never remember which that is on the... What am I doing here? Click. Click. Yeah, that's the stare. Oh, dude. Just hopping on now, huh? Damn, I was gonna pop off after this match. I was wondering where you were. I was like, oh, we gotta play some games. Next weekend. We'll get some games in. Ugh. Oh, second place, fourth place, second place. Erangel, right to the end. I can't believe what was I? Alright, it's okay. We're gonna reset. We're fine. Doesn't matter where we drop. You know what? We're gonna win. Doesn't matter. We're gonna win. You had 4 kills that game too? Like, knew what was up. But I was asleep. I went for a long walk to a windmill. Windmill knackered. Went for a long walk to a windmill knackered. What's a knackered? I know what a windmill is. Windmill knackered. Oh gosh. Is he in there? You're tired, yeah. That's fair. It's good you got a walk in, right? Is it good weather over there? You get a walk in, you get a walk in, you know what I'm saying? Is there a control that I can press to, like, completely shift perspective to the other side? Whoa. Going for this little hut up here. This guy's probably got a better... Oh, I got it 2 times. Do we wait? Let's wait. I think it's just the one guy. And he's going to walk out my direction. And then I'll grab everything that he looted. Beautiful weather. Super burnt right now. Oh, man. Yeah, I got to watch for that, huh? That'll get you. That will get you. The sun's a bitch sometimes. There he goes. Moving along. It's just going to come right out that door. It's going to be like, oh, I was looted. Right? Right? Don't really use the vector much. Don't have much for attachments. We have enough to take care of things. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out today and just going out for dinner, but I don't think I have. Check this out. Oh, poor guy. Must be pissed. Military vest level 3, huh? Shit. Oh, man. This game's funny sometimes. I guess I'll grab that. Is that better than what I have? No. It's a lot of ammo. Thanks. I needed all that. That's the problem with PUBG, right? What I just did there, that's, you know, it's the problem with the game. It's, yeah, what do you do? What do you do against that, right? If somebody saw you, that's all it takes. Somebody sees you, and then they just go and do that. It's over. It was looking good earlier in the day, but now it looks kind of cloudy outside right now. But it's hot here, man. I gotta go and buy an AC ASAP. I'm not even like a few $100. I don't give a shit. Like I gotta get it because it's just too hot in this place. Like it's summer is just like spring has just started, but man, it's like the middle of summer. Feels like it's plus 28 inside. Like I need something that's like it just chills a small room and is quiet. Then I'm good, and then I can use the big portable AC in the main living space. But shit, it's hot. Sorry, back my drink exploded over the carpet. Damn. Ugh, what'd you have? You shake something up? I had a kombucha yesterday, one of the frozen ones. We were looking for some of the other ones in Costco, couldn't find it. But you shake that thing, or you what is it? You tip it, you know, over and over, and like it'll bubble right up out of the glass, the jar. Not a jar. What was it? It's not a cup. It's not a jar. I guess it's a glass, but it's not like a kitchen glass. It's the bottle. That's it. The bottle it comes in. That's what I've been on lately, is like health sodas and kombucha. Now, what did this turn into? Did it tell me what it turned into? Well, actually, maybe a laser sight would be helpful. Sure, I'll do that. It's only 21 outside, but still roasting. AU Cherry 8. Okay, cool. Never heard of that before. Looks like I need my long range. Damn. Ooh. 762, smoke grenade. Energy drink, 762. Oh, lots of energy drinks. I'm gonna drop these bandages. Use some of this. Use another one. I do have a lot of smoke grenades, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, what am I doing? Ah! clicked out of my game. Oh, Dragon Olive, that'd be nice. How far are we? It's good. I just don't want to get... Right as somebody's running. I'm gonna run along this ridge here. Alright, let's go. Okay. Where the hell did that guy go? Like one shot and I'm done. Oh. Does this guy move up or is he still on the edge? Is that dude that's behind me? Yeah! Serves you right. Serves you right there, buddy. Christ, I have no idea where I am and I've got to get to a safe spot. Oh, dude, I can't fucking just... I keep freezing, by the way. Oh, man, that's not good. How am I freezing? Are we on... What platform are we on freezing? Is it Twitch? Is it YouTube? Are we on Twitch, huh? Unstable bitrate? Fuck. Dude, okay, I want to see that kill cam. Like, oh, so cringe, this shit. This is the guy that got me? Oh, okay. He's still at me from an angle. I see. I had no, I had to go down this ridge, man. These games gotta fix these death cams, dude. This is crazy. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on with the stream and everything. Should be fine. But we're multi-streaming, right? We're trying to get it out there. So, weird. It's weird, dude. God, I'm cooking though, man. I think I gotta call it there, dude. Appreciate you tuning in, and yeah, I mean, I hope you got a good rest, and we'll game it up whenever we can, maybe next weekend. And yeah, I gotta call it. We were just decent matches today, but screwed it up, man. It's on me. It's on me. But yeah, hopefully I'm not freezing up here. But I gotta go. I'm cooking, and yeah, it's time to end it. It's almost 4 hours here. Good session. But yeah, man, I'll catch you next time I see you, because Tuesday's the coding streams now. But if you don't join then maybe on Saturday, game it up. Clock out.